Hi, my name's Alex Mann and I'm the RSBC's Assistive Tech Officer. What I do here at the RSBC is to recommend and train people to use different types of technology to access information and to help them with their everyday life. Tips that I will give anyone who has a visual impairment regarding technology is that there is so many different ways of accessing that technology, and just because someone recommends something to you, don't take their word for it. Try it out yourself. Something that works for someone else might not work for you, or might not work as well as something else. And with so many different companies releasing so many devices, it's very important to choose the best one for yourself, because you're paying for that technology. The technology will be accompanying you with your everyday life, so you deserve the best technology that you can access. Another tip is to research on how to demo those technology. There are so many different organizations and providers who will be happy to try to sell you that product, but you need to bear in mind that their agenda is to try to sell you the product. So what you need to remember is that, is this one right for you? And you should also always test out a different range of the same products. So for example, if someone said to you, oh, I'm selling you this iPhone because it's the best, try out Android, try out Windows, it might work better for you. So don't let the pricing of any product put you off. Like I mentioned before, it is very, very important to get a product that really works for you. And if it is really expensive, there are grants and government schemes to help you with obtaining that product financially. Grants such as Access to Work or Disability Student Allowance. If you want to learn more about this, please visit the RSBC's website. With the advancement with technology, a lot of mainstream providers such as Apple and Google has a lot of accessibility features built into their devices. A long time ago, you would have to buy a specialist product which could cost thousands of pounds, and it did one thing. It did it pretty well, and but the pricing was a huge issue. But with a lot of mainstream products coming out with these accessibility settings, it is important that you explore these settings. Most products will have within their settings an accessibility part where you can adjust visual settings, audio settings, and also motor settings as well. And more importantly is that it's mainstream, so you're not using something that's totally alien to people. It's easier for other people to help you use it. It's also about inclusiveness in that you're not holding a old-fashioned brick phone with a speech coming out of it. You're using something like an Android or an iPhone like everyone else, so you're not standing out. And if you can't, have the time or know where to find these providers, there's organizations like the RSBC that has a range of different products for you to try, and we're totally impartial. And I will personally demonstrate my personal use of these technology in other videos on our website.